Who's awake? Who's awake? Are you awake? Do you have your kitty cat pajamas on? Yeah. Oh, that's a kitty cat too. You're right. Yeah. Are you doing the brushy brush? Are you gonna flap your arms like Elmo?
Oof. This might not last very long, Jilly. Sorry, baby. I forgot about the bug factor.
She says, I'm just dropping stuff and picking it up. Oh, look at that. See, you got all your cups over there now. You want them? Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Washcloth. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Washcloth. Thank you. Washcloth.
Porch up. You gonna put on the hat?
Come on.
No.
Oh, thanks.
You get two hats. She wants the hat.
You want to put a hat on? Jilly, Jilly. Jilly. Jilly, you gotta do your hat dance.
Nope.
No? Just for a picture. Alright.
Holy smokes. Come on. Silly. Oh. Look at mommy. Look.
Oh. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yay! 5 steps with a big girl! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Here, come by Dada. Look. Up. Up. You jumping? You're silly. Big girl. Look at you. Yeah. All right, you want to do it again?
Jilly.
All right. Go ahead, stand up. No, go by mommy. Look.
Jilly, Jilly.
You tripped on my feet. Get up, get up.
Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, you're doing it. Good job, Bugs.
Porch up, up. He's supposed to walk, not jump.
Yay, Jilly.
All All right, turn around.
Just
Go
dance a little bit.
Yeah. Pork chop. What does the owl say? No, that's a sheep. No, what does the owl say? Who? Okay, now what does the sheep say? Is it a good cookie? What does the cow say?
Oh, yeah. Good girl.
Do we do the doggy yet? Oh, you're eating.
I was trying to get her to do it as a picture shirt. Of course she wouldn't do it.
Wanna do a selfie? Here, we can see. Pork chop.
Chili.
Switch it over to selfie.